Welcome back guys, I am back with a brand new tutorial, conditional statements in the series Python Beginner to Advanced. So today we are going to study what is conditional statements, or you can say the decision statements. Python if statement is used for decision making operations. It contains a body of code which runs only when the condition given in the if statement is true. If the condition is false, then the optional else statement runs, which contains some code for the else condition. So as like other programming languages like C, C++, Java, for the decision making processes, Python have is if statement. If then the condition, like if a equals to 10 or a equals to 5, and then if a equals to 5, then we print that particular whatever we want to print, like a equals to 5 or not. And else, like if this condition is false, like a equals to 10 and we are checking a equals to 5, then it will go to the else condition, or you can say it will go to the else body. Then we will print that a not equal to 5 or not equal to 10. Whether there will be a rain tomorrow or not is if condition. If there will be a rain tomorrow, then it is true, otherwise it's false. Another example is in today's match my team will win or not. It is a one of the example of if condition, like if we will win a variable whose values will be true or false. So let's see how to implement if else conditions or conditional statements in Python using practical example. So conditional statements are of three types: if, else if, and else. You will see all those three. This is a small diagram to showing, like if condition is true, it can be any condition like a equals to 10, a greater than 10. If the condition is true, then we will execute the statement or the if body. So this is a very simple example of if statement. We are taking number 1 equals to 10 and we are checking if the number 1 equal to 10 or not. In Python, single equal to is used for the initialization and double equal to is used for checking the condition. So here we are checking is number 1 equal to 10 or not. Yes, at this time number 1 equals to 10, so it will print number 1 equal to 10. Now we'll see the example of if else. We are taking number 1 equals to 105 and we are checking number 1 equal to 10, number 1 equal to 10, and number 1 not equal to 10. And we will try to execute this. So let's see how it executes. First it will check number 1 equals to 10, the condition will be breakdown, or you can say it will not go to inside the if statement or body. Then it will execute the else statement, otherwise you can think so. If this condition will be meet, it will go to the if body, otherwise it will go to the else, and it will print number 1 not equals to 10. Yes, number 1 not equal to 10 because number 1 is 105. Now we will see the example of if, else if, and else. There are sometimes you have condition like you want to check number 1 equals to 10 or number 1 equals to 11, blah blah blah. So we are taking number 1 as 113 and we are checking that number 1 equals to 10 or not. If number 1 equals to 10, then we will print number 1 equal to 10. Again we will check number 1 equals to 11 or not. If yes, then we will print number 1 equal to 11. Otherwise these two conditions, if these two conditions does not meet, then we will go to the else, number 1 not equal to 10 and 11. So let's see. Yes, it is printing number 1 not equal to 10 and 11. Now let's see some real examples. Let's find out greatest number between two. Okay, so we are taking two variables a and b with respect to the values of 10 and 20, and we are trying to checking that number 1 is greater than number 2, or you can say a is greater than b or b is greater than a, or both are equal. So using if, we will try to check it. So first we are checking that if a is greater than b, then it will print a is greater than b. Otherwise, if this condition is not true, this condition may be true, like B is greater than A, then we will print B is greater than A. If these two conditions are not true, that means A and B are equal. So we'll print A and B are equal. So here, as we can see that B is greater than A, so it is printing B is greater than A. If I will change the value like this, then it will print A is greater than B, A is greater than B. But if I will try to change the values like this, in this case A and B are equal, so it will print A is equal to B. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos.